Today we're excited. We're excited to launch this new moment in transportation history in Roanoke.
Because we're not just launching a new model of transportation, we're taking a bold step toward building a stronger, healthier, and more resilient community. We're here to mark the introduction of all electric buses. These electric buses will help reduce emissions, improve air quality, and create a cleaner, more sustainable Roanoke for generations to come.
If you didn't know, the Roanoke Railway, an electric company, operated electric trolley cars in the early 1900s until 1948. I wasn't born then, so there are still remnants of the old electric trolley service scattered throughout downtown. So we're proud to reintroduce electric transit to the Roanoke Valley. We're excited about the days ahead as we and our passengers adjust to the new transit experience, because it is a new transit experience. It's going to be electric.
In October of 2019, I visited on my own dime. I spent my own money to go down to visit a plant called Proterra in Greenville, South Carolina. And I thought it would be a wonderful idea for Roanoke City to have EVs. And I'm so glad that 6 years later, we finally got an electric bus. So that pleases me, and I'm so grateful for that.
Our city's public transit system is a daily dance. The sleek blue, white, and green buses dancing their way to each route's point of origin, opening their doors to welcome their riders, our who, our why, our best dance partners, connecting each and every one with what they need most. Today the dance goes on. And in addition to the tango, the cha-cha, hip-hop, and even the waltz, well, today we add the electric slide.